English French. Learn, go.
Allez.
Plus future forms like
Tu iras.
welcome aboard. Hey, great to have you here. Let's warm up fast and make your French future tense feel easy. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources. Today you'll master English, go, and the French.
Allez.
Plus its future friends.
Tu iras. Il ira. Elle ira. Ça ira. Nous irons. Vous irez. Ils iront.
Add a pinch of humor and movement, point ahead, say.
Allez.
And the door opens. Ready? Let's go. Your goal today. You'll speak about tomorrow with confidence, clear, short, and natural. By the end, you can say, you will go.
Tu iras.
Talk about friends. They will go.
Ils iront.
Make plans together. We will go.
Nous irons.
Stay calm under pressure. It will go, it'll be fine.
Ça ira.
Lightning forms. Repeat after me, short, punchy, future strong. You've got this. To go, base verb.
Allez.
The engine behind every trip. I will go.
J'irai.
You, singular, informal, will go.
Tu iras.
He will go.
Il ira.
She will go.
Elle ira.
It will go, it'll be fine.
Ça ira.
We will go.
Nous irons.
You, plural, formal, will go.
Vous irez.
They will go.
Ils iront.
Mini dialogue. Smile and act it out with me. Yes, you're the main character. You, tomorrow, you will go with me to the market.
Tu iras.
Avec moi au marché. Friend. Perfect, and if it rains.
Ça ira.
Quand meme. Guide voice. At 9 a.m.
Nous irons.
Au musée, after lunch.
Vous irez.
Au parc. Narrator aside. He promised, so.
Il ira.
She decided, so.
Elle ira.
The whole crew?
Ils iront.
Pronunciation groove. Feel the beat, your mouth is a drum machine, your words keep time. Chant with me. Go.
Allez.
Go.
Allez.
Then tap the future.
Tu iras. Il ira. Elle ira.
Clap clap.
Nous irons. Vous irez. Ils iront.
If nerves pop up, breathe and say.
Ça ira.
Quick quiz. Fast answers, no overthinking, shoot from the hip. How do you say, we will go? Answer.
Nous irons.
Plural, formal, you will go. Answer.
Vous irez.
Future of, he, answer.
Il ira.
Future of, she, answer.
Elle ira.
Reassure a friend. Answer.
Ça ira.
Base verb for, to go, in French. Answer.
Allez.
Future of, they, answer.
Ils iront.
Singular, you will go, informal, answer.
Tu iras.
Culture tip. A dash of culture makes memory sticky and fun. In French stadiums people shout.
Allez.
A cousin of.
Allez.
For the future, your toolkit rocks.
Tu iras. Il ira. Elle ira. Nous irons. Vous irez. Ils iront.
And when stress hits.
Ça ira.
Says, it'll be fine. Bonus travel nugget. A round trip ticket is aller retour. Yep, the.
Allez.
Part is the go. Challenge plus wrap up. 1 minute of brave speaking, go for it. Say out loud. Tomorrow, I will go early.
J'irai.
Taught. Then add. And you will go with me.
Tu iras.
Avec moi. Next, if the bus is late, we will go on foot.
Nous irons.
Applied, they will go by metro.
Ils iront.
En metro. Final pep talk. Whatever happens.
Ça ira.
You've got this. Thanks for listening. This episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Keep practicing, have fun, and celebrate small wins. For more lessons, tips, and games, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. A bientôt, let's go.
Allez.
Learn more.